In this video, we'll talk about herbal waters and why helpless herbal waters deliver so much more efficacy and effectiveness. We've developed a 100% water-based patent-pending technology called BH2O. B stands for bioavailable, H2O stands for water. This is a unique process that has been pioneered by Diabolus to selectively extract necessary beneficial ingredients into a very pleasing water format. The benefits of water-based herbal infusions are extensive. In fact, we recently concluded an independent study, a human clinical trial with 45 type 2 diabetics. These trials have conclusively demonstrated the increased bioavailability, which has finally translated into fairly superior performance. We'll discuss more details on our clinical trials in a separate video. Let us compare how our BH2O bioavailable herbal water performance compares against clinical data from other organizations that have used single herbs in their clinical trials. In this table, you'll see the impact of consuming helpless herbal water for blood glucose management against various single herb and spices. As you can see in the table, helpless extract requires less quantity while delivering 70% higher efficacy when you look at the reduction in HbA1c. HbA1c, as you know, is the 3-month average long-term blood glucose control, which is used extensively in diabetics. You can also see from this example, as stated earlier, subjects had to use 100 grams of fenugreek. And this delivered 70% less HbA1c reduction when compared with helpless, highly bioavailable herbal water. We've seen similar results in consumer trials with immunity water, which consisted of over 20 consumers. These trials conducted during the peak flu season in 2019 indicated quantitative reduction in flus and colds among adults and children. The immunity waters can also be admixed into milk to make it easily consumable by children. More details also on the immunity waters will be available in a separate video describing our results with these waters. Thank you.